What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Housecall Pro channel. If your website isn't bringing in leads, or you don't have a site yet, or it looks like this, my website, today we're going to change that because we're going to walk through the full workflow from building visibility to establishing trust, converting visitors into booked jobs, and tracking all of it in the Housecall Pro app. And we're going to do this whether you're working on your own existing website or using a Housecall Pro website. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get found when customers are searching, which nowadays is kind of important for growing a business or even just staying in business, right? The internet has taken over. So when someone's AC breaks in the middle of summer, they're not doing research. They're going to grab their phone and Google AC repair near me, and they're going to make a split-second decision. But if your business isn't showing up for those searches, you're never even getting a shot at the job. Now this comes down to keywords, words and phrases that tell Google and other search engines that you're in the right city, performing the right service, and solving the exact problem that the customer has. If your site doesn't have the right keywords, it might not show up, especially when it matters most. Now the strategy is straightforward, but it gets complicated. You have to make sure your site includes phrases that show you're doing the work in the place the customer is and solving the specific problem that they have. Your city name, your services, and near me terms. And that's the foundation that everything else is built on. Because step 2, you need to give customers a reason to choose you. If a customer finally lands on your site, they want 3 questions answered very fast. Can you fix their problem? Can they trust you? And can you come soon? Here's what's crazy. If those answers aren't obvious within a few seconds, they might leave and call the next results because everyone's attention span has been ruined by the internet. Now, the fix is making sure that your site does 3 things very clearly. Showing exactly what services you offer, show reviews and proof of work, we call this social proof in the internet industry, and make it obvious how to contact or book you. And when customers see that right away, they're gonna feel more confident that they're in the right place, which means step 3, you can make it easy to take the next step. A lot of websites lose the job even after a customer is ready to book with you, right? If buttons are unclear, contact info is buried, or there are too many options, that causes customers to stall. They don't know exactly what to do, and a customer that is confused can decide to choose someone else. So you want to minimize the time they spend on the site before converting to your business. And there are a few ways to do this. We can add a clear call now or book online button at the top of every single page. Keep that contact info for you visible in the header and the footer at all times. And finally, give each page one main action. Make it super easy for your customers to know what to do next. Now, the overall goal is speed and clarity. The faster someone can reach you, the more likely you are to win the job. Now, let's say you don't want to deal with any of this yourself. Well, that's exactly what Housecall Pro websites are for. We build the website for you. These sites are built specifically for home service businesses. Here's how to get started inside the app. You're going to go to More, middle left, then Marketing, then Websites, and finally, you're gonna click Learn More on this page. Now, what's gonna happen is one of our team members will reach out to you. They're gonna walk you through everything, help you get your information in, how you want it to look, and get it all set up for you. You don't have to be a web expert. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on a web developer. You just stay focused on your customers, and Housecall Pro handles the build and the launch, right? Now, one of the biggest advantages of these websites is that it connects directly to all the tools already inside your Housecall Pro account. Let's run through some of the big ones. First, your booking form. This is fully flexible. It doesn't have to be a traditional online booking form. You can set it up as a lead form that just captures customers' info and the job details. You can follow up on your own terms. You can decide what information to collect, how the form works, and what happens after someone submits. So you're always in control. Now, on your website, you can also add the chat widget, which lets customers reach out instantly without having to make a phone call. Now, this lowers the friction for the customer. They might not be ready to commit to a call, but they might have a quick question. Both of these can turn a visit that would have otherwise bounced to somebody else into a real lead. Another big one is the customer login page. So let's say a customer has already used your service and made an account. Every time they come back, their information is already in your website. That means it's quicker to set up a job, but it also means you're not starting from scratch and you're building a relationship. That's going to help you create recurring revenue and make every repeat job faster and easier for both of you. And then there's the Google profile integration. Your Housecall Pro website connects directly to your Google business profile. So when customers find you on Google or Google Maps, they're seeing your reviews, your hours, and your services, all current and up to date. And on top of that, there's Reserve with Google. This is really cool. If you search for, say, plumbers in New York City, you're gonna see this list of businesses near you on a map. Some of these businesses have a scheduling title right there in the results. Surprise, this is a Housecall Pro website. You click it and it takes you straight to a one-step booking experience, which looks really great, but that means there's no navigating to a separate website and no extra clicks. Your customer goes from finding you on Google to booking a job in seconds, and it's so powerful to have this. And step 4, you're gonna track what's working and keep improving. Now back on that dashboard that we mentioned earlier, you can now see how many visitors your site is getting, how many leads are coming in, and how many of those leads are turning into booked jobs. That means you're never guessing at what's actually working, you have the real data to look at, and you can use that to make your site stronger over time, which ultimately leads to more jobs and more revenue. If you want more step-by-step walkthroughs just like this, make sure to hit subscribe. I will be here. And if there's a feature you want us to break down, drop it in the comments because we will make a video about it. Thanks for watching.